Konnichiwa. My name is Rohit Shiv Prasad and I'm the founder of RSP in Japan. October intake आ रहा है. I think some of you might be coming here to Japan. But the question is, क्या लेकर आना चाहिए? Today's video is going to be about that and I'm going to tell you what you should get before you're coming to Japan. So watch the video till the end so you're not gonna have any problem after you watch this video before coming to Japan. And if you have not subscribed already, I'll divide this video into two halves. Things that you should get and things that you should not get. First, let me start from the things that you should get to Japan. Guys, let me tell you this. The first and foremost thing that you need to get, it's very important, pressure cooker. Pressure cooker लेकर आओ. Japan में the pressure cookers are very expensive, 15 to 30 and कितना भी चला जाता है 30,000 yen, हाँ. कितना भी जाता है, it's very expensive and it's different. If you're used to cooking Indian food, you need to have a pressure cooker with you. Make sure that you get a big one, or if you're getting small ones, get two, so that if it breaks, you don't have to get it again and again. And yes, some mistakes that you guys do, you don't know the pressure cooker very well. Make sure that you get those CT, ऊपर वाला जो pressure stopper रहता है, get that extra, maybe one more. And then that valve, get that valve also extra. Another thing that you need to take care of while you're buying this pressure cooker is that make sure that you buy the induction plus gas wala, or just get the induction one. And make sure it's a thick base. If it's not, you're gonna have some trouble. The second thing that you need to get are some medicines. Medicines like headache. क्योंकि यहाँ पे when they give you medicines, it's first of all very expensive, guys. मत पूछो यार. अच्छा है मैं अभी तक बीमार नहीं हुआ, but yeah, it's very expensive. So medicines, headache, ulti, get those very little, क्योंकि एक साल में 2 साल में they will expire, so make sure that you get it accordingly. Don't get too many medicines, just that much. The most important thing, get all your original documents with you, guys. Of course, you are intelligent enough to do that, but yes, it's very important that you get your original documents. All, passport, आधार कार्ड, सब जो marksheet सब, क्या पता कब काम आ जाए. Then, if you're used to cooking and if you like or love Indian food, no, everyone loves Indian food, get spices. Spices में भी लाल मिर्च, काली मिर्च, गरम मसाला and haldi, get loads of it, like 1 kg each maybe, or whatever your mom suggests you. But khade masale, the whole spices, make sure whatever you like, get them from India itself, because they can be stored for endless amount of time, so you can get them not too much, but how much you use. I have my spices like आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, like I have this cinnamon, elaichi and everything mixed together. Like I use these a lot, but हाँ ये काफ़ी टाइम से रखा हुआ है. It's a airtight container. तो so मसाले लेकर आओ. You're gonna have a very easy time if you're living in Japan. If you like chai, tea, चाय पत्ती लेकर आना. बहुत बहुत सस्ता पड़ेगा इंडिया में, बहुत सस्ता भैया, बहुत सस्ता. चाय की याद आ गई, तो चाय लेकर आओ. The next thing that you need to be very careful about is if you are getting your Indian chargers, round plugs. Well guys, यहाँ पे ये नहीं चलता है. You will have to get a converter ऐसा, and फिर तुम्हें ये लगाना पड़ेगा. So और ये it's sometimes difficult to find. So make sure that you get a converter from India if you want to use your Indian chargers. Also, the most important thing, guys, once you come to Japan for the first time, you are going to struggle with getting used to the environment. कहाँ से सामान खरीदे, कहाँ महंगा है, कहाँ कम महंगा है. हाँ, मेरी वीडियोस देख के you will get some idea, but still Well, that being said, get some money. Some money matlab get Japanese yen with you, round about 1 lakh yen, let's just say 60 to 1 lakh yen. बचेगा बहुत सारा, सब खर्च नहीं होगा, बट स्टिल कोई इमरजेंसी आती है, यू हैव टू बाय योर बाइसिकल्स, कहीं टैक्स भरना पड़ता है. इफ यू हैव टू गिव एनीथिंग, जस्ट मेक श्योर यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी रेडी विथ यू गाइस. सो दीज वर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू गेट नाउ. क्या नहीं लेकर आना है, द मिस्टेक्स दैट आई मेड पर्सनली एंड धीरे धीरे आई लर्नड. वेल गाइस, फर्स्ट थिंग, डू नॉट try to get your mobile phone. You can have your mobile phone. मैं अभी जिस phone से video बना रहा हूँ, that's my India का mobile phone, but I don't use that phone here. I use this cheap iPhone 6 because I got it free with the scheme of the SIM. So yes, network is very expensive. Getting a SIM is expensive, and many companies give phone along with these SIMs, sometimes free. So use those phones, and उसमें SIM भी use करना आसान हो जाएगा. Otherwise you will have to make sure that you unlock your phone from India and then bring it here, which is hectic. So you can get a phone here for free. Anyways you will buy the SIM, so you can take the phone for free instead. तो मुझे ये कहना था कि don't get your phones, मतलब get your phones but don't use them here. Yes. Okay. Now the biggest mistake that I did, I thought that I will have a lot of trouble. See, if you're coming in October, या फिर ठंडी की बात करते हैं, don't get winter clothes too much. जो पहन के आ रहे हो फ्लाइट में, that is more than enough. Why do I say so? It's very simple guys. The winter here is way extreme than that in India. So the clothes that you get from India to Japan are not gonna help you. That happened with me. I got a lot of winter clothes and it was just heavy. I could have bought a lot of food instead, but instead I ended up bringing too many clothes. Also, I love clothes. Why should you not get clothes? One is that in Japan you will get good clothes and cheap may you will get the clothes. So come here and do shopping. That's why you're getting the money for it. घर पे मत बताना, but हाँ, that is like you're coming here, you're excited, you want to buy things. Do that. Buy clothes. So save some space, get food, get those things that I told you, उसके साथ जो whatever is necessary for you guys. Then don't try to get books with you guys. Man, I know you want to study, you're a sincere student, but yeah, you can get 1 or 2 books, but don't get all the books with you guys. Okay, there are big libraries here and you can buy the books here, so avoid that. I would say avoid. Don't try to get rice. देखो, if you want to get basmati rice, yes, take 1 kilo, not more than that, because it's going to be a waste of time. You're not going to cook biryani every day, and if you want to do so, you'll do part-time, right? So you can take you can buy basmati rice from here. It's fine. There are stores dedicated for Indian people close by only, so you'll get it. Don't worry about that. So you don't have to get basmati rice. Chill. 1 kilo 2 kilo lekar aao and just be happy with it. I know there are some people who tend to get the personal stuff like too much, like albums or things like that. Don't do that. It's going to be hard because you are coming here to study and probably you'll go back. If you want to settle, तो 2-3 बार आओगे जाओगे. So just for the first time, just make sure you get the important things, and the things that you don't need, you don't need. That being said, so I hope this video will help you if you guys are coming here in October or in future anytime. Again, there might be some things that I forgot to mention because I don't remember them right now, but yes, if there is something like that, I'll make another video or put it down in the comments. I will do that. And if you guys have any questions, put it down in the comments below. I will get back to you guys. Thank you.